here with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission talking about Bake and Take Month. And we actually just made a delicious dough for Soynut Butter Cookies. And now we're here to decorate them. And Charlene, you say besides eating them, decorating is the best part.
Oh, you know it. That's a great family activity, isn't it?
Absolutely.
And we've made several choices here. We'll have the recipe on our website, but we have a vanilla fluff cream filling. We have a vanilla glaze that you can use.
Yum.
You have a chocolate fudge filling.
Look at that. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
And we have a chocolate glaze and some salted soy nuts. So you can either make a single cookie and glaze it, or you can put two cookies together with it like a sandwich and then glaze the top of them. So everybody gets to kind of pick what they want.
Okay.
I'm just going to go ahead and just take a little bit of this glaze.
It's so hard not to eat it by itself.
That's the thing.
time.
If it gets
So
to the
delicious.
glazing period, you know, I mean, you've got to
You
get
made it
there
far.
first. All right.
I am going to take both of these and make kind of a chocolate vanilla one. And
good.
oh, that looks
Maybe a
good.
little
You
bit
did
more.
great.
Chris is racing me to see who finishes their cookie first.
Little double thing. Okay, and that's basically. Do we? We didn't make these, or did you make these fillings as well?
I
you?
did,
Oh,
and
okay.
we'll put the recipes on our website so that everyone can have those and choices to make. Look at yours.
And then you
That'd
just
be great.
That looks delicious.
Yeah, that looks great, Chris.
I wanna
I'm going to take a
sing.
little bit of the soy nuts here and put them on top of mine. You've got a double, triple
Wow.
decker.
I know what I'm
That
doing
looks
here.
great.
I tell you. Okay.
Yeah, and look at Denisha's. She's got hers
Oh, yeah.
already.
Mine are a
We got
little
some
bit
soy
more
nuts.
Yeah, a
standard.
little bit of, yeah.
Still looks delicious.
But you have
however.
a gift for two people there with two cookies, and you
That
have
has gotta be
one
for one.
fantastic
Right.
gift that
Right.
you're going to give to someone for Bake and Take.
Very nice. So we made the cookie dough last half hour. Super easy.
Super easy.
If you missed that segment, it's on our website. And the recipe for this and more on our website, too.
That's right.
And what are we making for Midday in Kansas at noon? You're back for noon today. What are we doing
We
there?
are doing some raisin bars that won at the Kansas State Fair. So it's another great winning recipe.
Very, very nice. It took third place, and if it didn't have raisins, maybe it did. No, I'm just kidding. We'll be right back.